Hey lovelies, so finally my channel members and myself, we came up with a solution on how to boost our mining rate on Pi network. We came up with a solution on how to boost our mining rates on Pi network, and this is not follow for follow. No, I have a video on this channel prior to now that I shared how to follow for follow, and yes, the follow for follow has some added advantage to your mining, but this particular method that we talked and walked around it is actually the one that will give you the mining boost that you need for your Pi network. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side while waiting for that job offer or as a side hustle. I also share my no-fail commercial recipes from time to time on cakes, small chops, food trays, and drinks. I also share testnet airdrop project. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to. Now, like I said, we find a hack that will boost your mining rate on Pi, and it is something a lot of you have been asking for. Now, what you need for this is to watch this video to the end. Trust me, if you ask your questions on the comment section, from your questions I will know if you watch the video to the end or not. Now, another thing you need is you must have migrated to the Pi mainnet. We have a lot of issues where some people are already mining Pi, a lot of people are already mining Pi, but they're not yet migrated to the mainnet. And at the end of the day, if you want to convert whatever you have, if you want to convert your Pi, those unverified balances, that is those people that are not yet migrated, their own allocation will not be given to you, added to you, and it is a disadvantage, right? So we discovered a method that is going to help you boost your mining rates on Pi network. I still call it scratch my back, I scratch your back. Yes, it's that simple. Now, all you need to do is, number one, listen attentively. Number one, you need to click on the link in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. The link is in the description box of this particular video or my first pinned comment. So don't come to the comment section to ask me where is the link, because I've already said it now. The link is going to be in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. So that link is going to take you to my vlog community on Telegram, my vlog platform on Telegram. And once you join the vlog platform on Telegram, you are going to click on the pinned message. You are going to click on the pinned message. I'm going to show you that just right now. So this is my vlog community on Telegram, and you're going to click on the pinned message. You will see this message that is showing like this. You will see something like this here, showing the sign. This is the message you actually need. Once you click on it like this, it's going to bring out this message. It's going to bring out this particular post. It says, for everyone who is mining and already on the Pi mainnet, that is, you must have been mining Pi and you must have been migrated to the Pi mainnet. In other words, if you are not mining Pi and have not been migrated to the Pi mainnet, do yourself a favor to start mining Pi if you're not mining yet. And for those of you who are already mining, who have not yet completed your 30 days mining cycle to be migrated, just wait. Once you complete your 30 days mining cycle, this video still applies to you. You can still join and do this procedure. And those of you who have already submitted your KYC, that is waiting for approval, or they having one issue or the other and your KYC is not approved for Pi, don't worry. Once it is approved, once you've resolved your issues on your KYC, you can still join and do this. You can still do this procedure. So in other words, everybody is going to be a partaker of it. But what you need to do is you need to join my vlog channel, vlog community on Telegram. Click on that pin message I showed you to bring you here. So for everyone who is mining and already on the Pi mainnet, join our new Pi network community. Now the link is here. Once you join the vlog community, you have access to the link automatically. Then you will get instruction on what to do via the chat. Nobody is charging you. This is our own way of telling you guys that our community is not just only friendly, we also assist each other. especially when it has to do with any money on the side legitimately. So nobody is charging you. It is free, completely free, and it is safe. All you need to do is to join the vlog channel, come down to this pin message, click on it, click on this link. It will take you to a private chat where it will send you a private message where you're going to get the instructions. So for those that are not yet migrated, whenever you are migrated, you can also still join. Now, this is a dedicated, committed group. If you're one of such people that do not usually come around to mind their pie every day, please don't join. If you're one of such people that you are doing off and on when you're mining your pie, don't join, don't even bother. But if you are someone who is dedicated to airdrop project, testnet project, and all the other like Web3 project and the like, then do yourself a favor and do this right now, because trust me, this is the only solution you need. What are we doing on that platform? What we are doing is we have our contact details, and you are going to, after getting our contact details, your contact detail is going to be added to our list. We have a list. Your contact detail is going to be added to our list. We have a list already. There's no segments, there's no favoritism. It is for everyone. Then you come down to this place that shows your security. This place here on your Pi app that shows security. You're now going to click on it. And once you click on it, it is going to load and show those people that are on your security circle. So you're now going to come down here and I'm going to click on add from contact. It is now that particular contact. It is not that particular contact that you have from our group. That's the contact we're going to add here. So we're kind of adding ourselves as security contact or security circle. We're adding one another into our security circle. This way, we are boosting our mining rate. Does this make sense? This is the easiest, the best way, the best hack of boosting your mining rate on the Pi network. You know, I usually look for solutions to any airdrop projects we're having. Yes. So that's the reason why if you're not subscribed, do yourself a big favor to subscribe if you want to keep getting hacks or method like this. And shout out to all my channel members, community members on Telegram. You guys are the real G's. You are the best. Like, you guys are the best. So then we're going to walk you through how to add your contacts. I don't want to make this video long. I just wanted to drop this information. So if you are seeing this video right now, just join via the link in the description box or in the comment section. Do exactly what I say, and guys, we are boosting our mining rate. So that is all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. I don't want to go into details right here on YouTube so that YouTube doesn't flag my video for sharing contact or showing contacts or information of other people. That's the reason why I can't walk you through the details. But on the Telegram platform, you are going to be told how it is done. So that is all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in that subsequent video. Bye.